Wanna know how to change the duration of your images, maybe multiple images at once? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first up, simply open up new image and then drag and drop it to the timeline. For me, I got two images right here. Now, on a single image, what you can do is just simply right click on it and select duration, and then you can input duration and the image will also extend accordingly. But since it cannot be possible with multiple images, what you can do is hold Ctrl and left click on another image you want to select. Now, on the edge right here, hit versus edge until you see this trim like icon appear. Now just simply extend it, and as you can see, both of my clips are extending. If you want to select the entire image, just simply press Ctrl plus A as well. And once you've done that, you can increase it or decrease it just like that. Super simple and easy. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.